In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar via link. By the end, you'll have a simple link you can paste into an email, chat, or document so others can view your calendar as you intend. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendar.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account that owns the calendar you want to share. Give the page a second to load and make sure you're looking at the correct account if you manage more than one. Now look to the top right and click the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you from the calendar view to the full settings area. On the left, you'll see a sidebar. Scroll to the section called Settings for My Calendars and click the specific calendar you want to share. If you have multiple calendars, double-check the name and color so you don't share the wrong one. With that calendar selected, find the section labeled Access Permissions or Access Permissions for Events. This is where you control who can see your calendar and how. Here, you'll see an option to get shareable link. Click that. You'll see a link appear that reflects your calendar's current visibility settings. In other words, the link will only show the level of detail your settings allow, typically free, busy times, or event details, depending on what you've configured. Next, click Copy Link. This places the link on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. From here, you can drop it into an email to teammates, send it in a message to clients, or add it to a project document. Recipients can open the link in any browser to see your calendar according to the permissions you've set. They won't be able to edit your calendar through this link. It's for viewing only. A few quick tips before you share widely. If you don't immediately see the Get Shareable Link option, make sure you selected a calendar you own and that you're in that calendar settings, not the general settings page. It's also a good idea to test the link in a private or incognito window to confirm it shows exactly what you expect. If later you need to change what viewers can see, just return to the same calendar settings and adjust the visibility. The link will honor those changes going forward. That's it. Open Google Calendar, head into Settings, choose your calendar, click Get Shareable Link, and then Copy Link. You now have a clean, reusable way to share your schedule with anyone who needs it.